How to delete a character from a string using Python. There is a string, for example. How can I remove the middle character, i.e., m from it? I don't need the code. I want to know. Do strings in Python end in any special character? Which is a better way, shifting everything right to left starting from the middle character or creation of a new string and not copying the middle character?
In Python, strings are immutable, so you have to create a new string. You have a few options of how to create the new string. If you want to remove the m wherever it appears. If you want to remove the central character. You asked if strings end with a special character. No, you are thinking like a C programmer. In Python, strings are stored with their length, so any byte value, including \0, can appear in a string.
To replace a specific position. To replace a specific character.
This is probably the best way. Don't worry about shifting characters and such. Most Python code takes place on a much higher level of abstraction.
Strings are immutable, but you can convert them to a list, which is mutable, and then convert the list back to a string after you've changed it. You can also create a new string, as others have shown, by taking everything except the character you want from the existing string.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.